Are HTTP proxies the right tool for your workflow? Here's how they differ from other proxy types, the issues they address, and when to use them effectively. HTTP proxies are specifically built for web traffic over HTTP and HTTPS, so they understand headers, cookies, and encrypted connections. That means you can control and optimize web interactions, filter malicious traffic, and manage requests more efficiently, giving your systems reliable and scalable access to the web. What sets HTTP proxies apart from other proxy types? They have HTTP-aware design, meaning they can interpret headers, URLs, and cookies to handle requests more intelligently, can filter content as needed, which reduces bandwidth usage and prevents unnecessary data transfers, and handle HTTPS traffic natively, keeping connections encrypted and secure without additional setup. In other terms, HTTP proxies give you better performance through caching, enhanced privacy via HTTPS, and fine-grained traffic management tailored to web-specific workloads. So, when is an HTTP proxy a smart choice for your workflow? Here are a few situations when they make a real difference. Large-scale web scraping by rotating IPs and modifying headers to bypass detection and blocks, making it easier to collect data consistently across multiple sites. Ad verification and monitoring by accessing region-specific content to check ad placement, performance, and compliance. API testing and performance monitoring by providing reliable access to web APIs for debugging, load validation, and consistent performance checks. Geo-specific content testing by reaching localized websites to verify content, localization or regional features, and security and threat mitigation by letting you customize them to analyze incoming traffic so you can block malicious requests and filter unsafe sites before they reach your systems. The benefits of HTTP proxies are clear, but to use them effectively, you also need to understand where they can fall short. So here are a few downsides to keep in mind. HTTP proxies have protocol and port restrictions supporting only HTTP and HTTPS traffic, so applications that rely on other protocols won't work. Lack built-in encryption, relying on HTTPS/TLS for secure connections, so unencrypted traffic could still be exposed if not properly secured, and depend on infrastructure quality for performance, so low-quality or shared proxies risk slowdowns or downtime. How do you choose HTTP proxies that are up to the task for high-volume, mission-critical operations? Avoid free options as they can be slow, unstable, and unsafe. Premium HTTP proxies with ethically sourced IPs, high uptime, and flexible IP rotation ensure reliable performance, consistent access to web resources, and minimal risk of blocks or downtime. Partnering with a provider like IPRoyal gives you access to high-quality HTTP proxies with global coverage, advanced features, and dedicated support. Contact our team to discuss your infrastructure needs and access reliable HTTP proxies that keep your web operations running smoothly, efficiently, and at scale.